Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the freeze pattern and gathering essentials. Note whether the whole system locks or a single app stalls. Open Task Manager using Ctrl+Shift+ESC and sort by CPU and memory to spot 1-2 culprits. End the offending process if safe. Once done, disconnect external drives and peripherals to rule out hardware conflicts. Make sure Windows Update, GPU and chipset drivers, and BIOS are current. Outdated firmware often causes intermittent hangs and must be corrected before deeper troubleshooting. Next, perform system repairs and gather diagnostics to learn why freezes happen. Run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files. These commands fix corrupted components that cause hangs. Once completed, open Event Viewer and check system and application logs and the reliability monitor for recent critical errors. They point to drivers or services. If issues persist, boot into safe mode or run a clean boot to isolate third-party drivers or startup apps. Finish by applying targeted fixes and a last resort recovery plan. If a recent driver update correlates with freezes, roll it back or uninstall fully and reinstall using the vendor installer. For GPUs, use Display Driver Uninstaller for a clean reinstall. If software repair fails, restore to a system restore point or use Reset this PC while keeping your files. Make sure to test hardware if freezing continues. Run memtest86 for RAM and check SSD/HDD health with manufacturer tools. These checks
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.